Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, I will be watching a trailer. And by the time maybe this video releases and publishes, this movie would have been out. But I definitely want to watch this trailer because it has a Shiva Karthikeyan in it, and his choices of scripts and stories, I've always found them very, very fascinating. So this movie is called Parashakti, and we have Shiva Karthikeyan, Ravi Mohan, Atharva Leela as well. And obviously, another very big pull for me to watch this is that the director is none other than Sudha Kongara. So yeah, let's not delay this any further. Let's watch this trailer right away. Okay. 1964, okay. This also faced some issue with censor board, right? But this was passed. 64. Sorry. Okay, I love the outfits and everything. Oh, this is that 3 language thing?
இப்படி அடுக்க மூட்டையா வந்தா மண்டேல எப்படி ஏறும் சுத்த பத்தமா வா பொறுக்கி
யார பொறுக்கிங்க
கறி பொறுக்கி
அண்ணா பெரியார் கிட்ட விருந்து வாங்குற நீ இந்த பிள்ளை கிட்ட அடி வாங்கி இந்தி கத்திட்டு புறப்பட எடுத்துமாடா நீ சொல்லு
ஓ ஏ மூர்க்க
கெமிஸ்ட்ரி படிச்சவங்க உருவாக்கின நெருப்பு வேகமா எரியும்.
This seems very interesting.
நேரத்துக்கு சாப்பாடு ஓட்டுக்கு நல்ல துணிமணி கேட்கறப்பெல்லாம் காசு அதான் போராட்டம் பண்றது குண்டில கொழுப்பேறி போய் கிடக்கு ஊர்ல அமைதியா தான் போயிட்டு இருக்கு பிரச்சனை எதுவும் இல்லை சார்
அப்ப பிரச்சனையை உருவாக்குங்க.
Oh my god.
அவன் எப்படி ஊர்த்தா போராடிட்டு இருக்கான்
இந்த மக்களே உங்க மேல யுத்தம் நடத்துறாங்க.
4 காலி பயலுங்க ஒரு பில்டிங்க பத்த வச்சதும் டெல்லியில இருந்து கிளம்பி வந்திருக்கீங்க.
அந்த காலி பயலுங்க தான் மக்களோட பார்வையில தலைவரா தெரியலாம்ல சார்.
That was a good dialogue.
ஊர்ல பதுங்கி இருக்கிற மாணவர்களை உடனே வெளியே அனுப்புங்க.
Wow, really good editing.
மாதிரி சொல்லுவோம். சத்தம் கேட்டு அவனே வருவான்.
This looks really good.
Mr. Anna, are you behind this?
No, Ji, we are not behind this. ஆனா இதை பண்ணவன் யாரா இருந்தாலும் அவன் என் தம்பி.
ஆனா தமிழர்கள் ஹிந்திக்கு எதிரானவங்க இல்லைன்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன்
நாங்க ஹிந்தி திணிப்புக்கு தான் எதிரானவங்க ஹிந்திக்கும் ஹிந்திக்காரங்களுக்கும் இல்லை
I need your orders. பொள்ளாச்சிலே அடிச்சு பொள்ளாச்சிலே போயிச்சிடணும். Anti-national scum.
என் செந்தமிழை காக்க பெரும் சேனை ஒன்று உண்டு
Oh, I can understand why this probably would have faced some censor issues, because censor board would have been like, why you probably are creating a language war and stuff like that. But I feel that this has a much more subtle message because Sudha Kongara as a director, yeah, I do trust her for sure. Okay, this looks phenomenal. I feel that these are the kind of movies that really should be made to start a conversation, because we see a lot of language wars happening off late, and it's not off late that it has been happening, it has been happening from a very, very long time. And I feel the basis of this film is that everybody is very, very emotional for their own mother tongue. We love our mother tongue, right? From whichever state we belong. And it is not like, my language is the best, so other languages are like trash. It's never like that, because that's what they say in the trailer. It's like, when you are forcefully imposing something, right, then it becomes a problem. Because I really like that dialogue. It's like, we have no problem with Hindi. We have no problem with Hindi speakers. The problem is the forceful imposition of this language, and we want to protect our mother tongue. So I feel that this is a very nuanced argument, and when a language debate comes into picture, all of these nuanced discussions need to happen, which is why I feel that as a topic also, this is extremely, extremely important. And I also feel that everybody's language is just so personal to them, right? I love my mother tongue. I speak fluent Hindi. I have no issues speaking Hindi anywhere. Then if I have to speak in English, I would speak in English. If I have to, learn certain local words and basic conversational language, then why wouldn't I learn it? It just makes my life also easier. So I just feel that language should never be the thing to divide us, and especially in a diverse country like India. That should never ever be the thing that should divide us, and it should always bring us together. That, oh, you speak this language, oh, you speak this particular language. Yeah, I would love to know some tidbits, right? We love to learn new slangs generally. We love to learn new conversational talks whenever we come across people from a different state, right? And that's always fun. That's supposed to be enriching experience. And this is based in 1964. Somebody please clarify if this is based on a true event or not, because that was not mentioned. But I feel it is. Something did happen in 1964 in Tamil Nadu, right? My memory, I don't know all of the history, but I feel something did happen in 1964, where I think, there were students who actually protested that, we want to protect our mother tongue, and you cannot forcefully impose a language in the state. Something like that, but I could be wrong. People from Tamil Nadu, Tamilians, please, you have to clarify that in the comments to me. So, Sivakarthikeyan, everybody looks great, and Sudha Kongra, I really trust her as a director and a storyteller. She gets the emotional beats so well, so well. And this is releasing on 10th. I'm sure when I publish this particular video, the movie would have already released. So if you're watching this post-release, please let me know how did you find this film. But I feel that this is a very, very bold step, and also an important film to have at this moment, because knowing Sudha Kongara, I know this movie overall in the end is going to have a very, very positive message, which will make us think, which will stimulate our brain. That's what I am hoping for from this particular film. And when I tell you, Sivakarthikeyan's script selection is just top notch. Is always top notch. So yes, that was my reaction. Those were my thoughts. I'm gonna sign off now. Please share your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.